it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I already know, every week I come on here and I say, I'm really excited to share this recipe with you guys. But I'm really excited to share this recipe with you guys because it's one of those recipes where it's like, you crave it, you think it, you make it, and it's popping. And that's exactly what happened. So, story time. I was craving cheesy bread from a pizza delivery place. Like, I wanted it real bad, but I didn't want the cheese. So I said, how am I gonna do that? And I watched a couple and read a couple recipes for how they would make it regular. And I was like, I would just swap it out with vegan cheese. And I don't even really like vegan cheese like that. But when I tell y'all, wow, like I was surprised at how it worked out. It was so good, and it had the little marinara and dipping sauce on the side. Like, let's just get into this video. But before you go, you already know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is essentially make a dipping bread oil. So you're going to take your olive oil, add some Italian seasoning, and you know me, I like it with a little kick. So I'm going to go in with some crushed red pepper, and then I'm going to top it off with just a little pinch of some kosher salt before I mix everything together. And once it's well mixed, you're just going to set it to the side. Next, we're going to go in with our pizza crust. So you want to take it out and put it on a lined cooking tray, cookie sheet thing. And y'all, there's no right or wrong way to put it on there as long as it's on there. And then to give it that real pizza shop taste, you're going to just sprinkle some cornmeal on what is going to be the bottom of our cheesy bread. Which is going to be the bottom, so that means you'll need to flip over your pizza crust. And again, no right or wrong way to do this. And now we're going to take that dipping oil that we made earlier and go ahead and spread it on just 1/2 of the pizza crust. Now I'm going to go in with my vegan mozzarella and I'm going to put that on there. You can do as little or as much as you like. And then you'll take the non-oiled side and fold it over. At this point, you're going to want to go ahead and put it in your preheated oven and bake for about 12 minutes. Take it out, and then I'm going in with my mixed blend cheese. And again, you can put as little or as much cheese as you like. Now I had a little bit of that dipping oil left, so I just decided I would add it to the edges of my cheesy bread. This step is optional, but why not if you've got some extra? From there, I'm just going to add more cheese and then bake it again. When it comes out of the oven, you go ahead and cut it into your strips. And then once you've got it cut to the way that you like it, you can cut it in strips, you can cut it in triangles. If you do something fancy, let me know in the comment section below. And then once it's all cut up, you go ahead and pair it with some marinara sauce. And y'all, it was popping. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below.